And this is the first thing you see. Golden eagles, oh, that's cool. Mama or Papa? Maybe that's Papa. That's probably Mama or Papa hunting, feeding the baby. The sandhill crane. Ooh. Some kind of hawk. Some red tipped winged blackbirds, I think. The wetlands. Oh, that's a muskrat, ducks, some kind of stork. Really cool exhibits. The snow goose, the Canadians. Holy shit. Look at this. I don't know where to begin. North American birds not found in Nebraska. Wow. So you've got all the eggs. I'll do my best to try to let you see everything, but I might run out of storage on my phone. There'll be 3 parts to this video. Wow, look at that one. The scarlet ibis. Huh. The flamingo. Look at that one. Brants. I can't even pronounce them, guys. The great white heron. The gannet. Look at the egg. Yellow-billed loon. Arctic loon. What's at least? I don't know what that is. Wow, look at that. Purple gallinule. All birds left of here have been recorded in Nebraska. Jeez. It's pretty awesome. Birds of Nebraska. Look at all these. Cardinal. We see them in our yard. See a lot of these. Just don't know what they're called. To me, they're like all they're sparrows. Common crow, common raven. I haven't seen one of them. Or a white-necked raven. Definitely the crows. Blue jays. All these little birds. I'll zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Get to the cool stuff. Look at those guys. great owl, great horned owl, great horned owl, northern hawk owl, barred owl, snowy owl. Now, I have not seen one of them. Screech owls. Oh yeah, the golden eagle and the bald eagle, awesome. Red-tailed hawk, definitely seen a few of those. I don't know if I've ever seen one of them though. Black vulture, don't know if I've seen one of them either, but we definitely have some of those. Well, I think. Dang, that's cool. Birds of Nebraska. Well, one thing I know for sure now, there's a lot of birds in the state that I live in that I have never seen or haven't seen. I've seen a few of these though.